Carpet dye stains on wood floors can totally mess up your space if you're not careful with cleanup and prevention. So, first off, if you notice any color from your carpet bleeding onto your wood, you want to act fast. Grab a soft cloth and some mild soap mixed with water, then gently blot the area instead of rubbing it around. Rubbing just spreads the stain and makes it worse. Avoid harsh chemicals like bleach because they can strip your wood finish. Another tip is to keep your carpets dry and clean regularly to prevent dyes from transferring in the first place. If the stain is stubborn, try using a little bit of white vinegar diluted with water, but always test it on a hidden spot first so it does not damage your floor. You can also sprinkle baking soda on the spot and gently scrub with a damp cloth, which sometimes lifts the color without harming the wood. One trick is placing a barrier like a rug pad or plastic sheet under your carpet edges to stop dye from touching your floors. And if you're buying new carpets, look for ones labeled as colorfast or non-bleeding to avoid future headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with carpet dye stains on wood floors is ignoring the problem and letting it sit, which makes it way harder to fix later. The fix here is to treat spills immediately using gentle blotting techniques. Another issue is using abrasive cleaners or scrubbing too hard, which can damage your wood finish. Instead, always go gentle and test cleaning solutions in a small spot first. Lastly, not protecting your wood floors underneath carpets can lead to long-term discoloration. Using proper barriers or mats underneath your carpet edges can save you tons of trouble down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like carpet dye stains on wood without messing things up. It also helps contractors find work by connecting them with homeowners who really need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.